Okay, love bugs, I think I finally found the perfect V-part wig for me and my thin, fine hair. So if you've been on this journey with me, you guys know I've been installing wigs for at least a decade, and I have dibbled and dabbled with the V-part wigs, the U-part wigs, and while I try to make it work and just accept what it is, I've never actually like mastered it and owned it to the point that I loved it so much that I would want to wear it every day. And I think that Unice has definitely helped me out and changed the game. So today I am wearing one of their beautiful kinky straight wigs. Let me give you guys the specs on this one. So this one here is 24 inches, 150% density, and it is a kinky straight V-part wig. So I was able to do a start to finish install. You're gonna see me go from braids to a blowout, and then I'm going to go ahead and install this for you guys. And you're gonna see, I don't know if you guys can see here, but I've covered all of my natural hair over the tracks, which is definitely a win-win for me. Typically, I feel like when I do these wigs, my natural hair doesn't cover. I feel like my natural hair sticks out and you can see where it is. And so this is the most natural I've been able to get it, to the point that I'm excited to wear this one for summer, because as hot as it is outside, none of us really want to be in lace at the pool or in Vegas. And for me, this is the perfect one. I feel like I can go to the pool with my kids, throw this on, and if my hair gets wet, I'm okay, because my hair is not pressed, it's blown out. Even if my hair gets a little bit wet, I'm okay, because it's my natural texture. And so I feel like this one came out perfect. This is the perfect black girl method if you really want a little bit of body and fullness, but you also want to give it natural. Because let's be honest, a lot of people, I would say, what is it, about maybe 2-3 years ago, thought it was sweet to go in with the micro links and the tape ins, and I feel like a lot of the girlies are regretting it, because they definitely saw their hair break and thin out and are trying to make up for that. And so if you're wanting that sew in look where you want a little bit of leave out, you don't want lace, but you also want to make sure you take care of your hair, this is the perfect solution. Because again, I blew dry my hair naturally, which I didn't even have to do. My hair was already in the same state. I just wanted to get the curls out from having it braided up. And so literally this is a very easy 3-minute. So literally this one here is a very easy, beginner friendly 3-minute install that requires no heat at all. Again, I'm going to be giving you guys a start to finish install. So if you want to see how we got this look, let's get started.
You're special and she reckless. Remember, you're my bestest friend. Yeah, she my bestie. My love for you is endless. Nobody else can end it. And when I get the money back, then baby girl, you can spend it. And everything is alright. I like how you doing, alright. Like how you think, alright. Always on top, oh yeah. Like how you do it, alright. Everything good, alright. Like how you think, alright. Always on top, alright, oh yeah. I wanna know it tonight. I wanna be the one to surprise you. Wake you up in the morning. I wanna be the one that you're calling. Cause I see you in the future with me. I wanna meet you. Love, best friend, and big family. I'm the storm in your dream, making wet dreams come true. She know she bad, but I done bad. She a gunshot that blew my mind. Now this
1 time out of 10, 2 times won't you be mine? We just can't pretend. This love thing can take time. 3 times then I'm in. I heard through the grapevines you missing our playtime, girl. Your beauty make 'em bow down. I need that body right now, yeah. The love will never die down. Together we can fly now. So baby, don't you ever be afraid of falling in love with me. Let me be your parachute. Yeah. 1 time out of 10, 4 times on the stage line.
baby, I like you. My baby, I die for you. See you, you know, say you, my baby. You know I ride with you, my baby. I don't cover that, I die for you, I pray to the Lord, I rise to the Lord, gonna greet the Lord. I pray to the Lord, Fatumata Jambele. Everything being safe again, everything for your Jambele, oh Jambele, yeah. You are not a friend of me, no. Baby, you mean more to me, more to me. You are not a friend of me, no. Baby, you mean more to me, more to me. Ooh, promise, Bobby, call you back, yeah. Oh, yeah, yeah. You looking like me, oh yeah, oh yeah. You see me be like, I'm not a naughty rider. Let me please you right tonight. Don't make plans tonight, yeah, yeah. But get it, come to me, come to me, let's go.
Okay ladies, I'm gonna do a little bit of talk through for the outro, which I rarely do these days, and that's because I think I got it figured out when it comes to the V-part wigs. And you guys know I've tried many over the last few years, or even for the last decade that I've been on this channel, and I feel like I have never found one that I truly love to actually wear on an everyday basis, or to just keep locked and loaded for days when I kind of want the natural look of a leave out, like a sew-in, but then I also really want to protect the majority of my hair. And this has been the one for me. I'm gonna talk about it in just a moment, but before we do, let's go ahead and review the packaging. So you guys already know I love this beautiful like magenta color, fuchsia color. Is this magenta or fuchsia? Sometimes it picks up purple. Like right now on camera, I feel like it's picking up a little bit purple. You guys let me know how you feel about it. But I love this because they have all of the accessories that match this, and this is one of my favorite colors. This was like my mom's signature nail color back in the day, growing up in the 90s. You probably already know this is one of those like popular colors. I think it was called like Tiki Punch. It's a little bit different, but it just reminds me of her. And then inside they did have the wig, but they also gave us some goodies. Now you can get different goodies with your wig. You guys have seen the robes that I have shown you guys, but then they also give this beautiful dust bag, and inside you do get your HD wig caps. These are private label from Unice. You guys can see that beautiful Unice logo on it. HD wig caps are great for a seamless look with your wigs and not having to do the ball cap method. Also inside you do get a wig band, which is really nice that they included because this isn't a lace, so I don't necessarily need it for this wig in particular. But you guys know I'm a lace wearing lady, so it's great to have a fresh one of these. Also inside we did get our, just a moment, I got nails on so it's hard to grab, but we got some cute little merch stickers. I love stuff like this when it comes to, like, you know, branding. This is some, like I said, 2 different little stickers, and you can attach them to anything, and of course it's branding. So imagine giving these to my kids and they stick it on the back of my windshield. Now I'm driving around town, the Unice logo advertising around the whole city. So to me it's great marketing. And then last but certainly not least, a pair of press-on nails. Now I think the girls have definitely become press-on girlies. I have on some, I guess these are called like gel do-it-yourselves, that I'm going to be doing a tutorial for you guys soon because that's how I've been maintaining my nails. The short ones are the way to go when it comes to your nails lasting for like 2 weeks without having to have a million of them pop off. So maybe I'll do that for you guys this week and give you guys a video of how I put these on, because I'm going out of town this week, so I'm going to take these off and put a fresh set on. So maybe I'll record that and edit at the airport. Anyways, these are some pretty press-on. Sometimes they do the all pink like oval ones. Is it called oval? Almond shape, but they call this the pink rebel, and it's like a pink French tip, super duper pretty, and it's like a medium length. So these are going to be super sassy, and that is my little box. Now to the wig itself. I love a good kinky straight texture, Yaki straight texture. I love a good Yaki straight texture. These textures, the older I get, I just realize as I get older and mature, the silky straight is beautiful for a bust down middle part, for a step out pop out moment, but before an everyday natural look, this is what like brings out your natural beauty as a brown girl. No matter what complexion you are, even if you are lighter complected, for your natural features, your almond shaped eyes, your big lips, your wide nose, feel like for me personally, the the kinky and Yaki straight textures definitely do a better job at making me feel and look natural even when I'm not all the way natural, if that makes any sense. And I feel like sometimes I get more compliments, more looks when I am in something that just looks and feels natural. So for me, this is perfect for like pool days. The kids are asking to go to the pool. I don't necessarily want to put on a silky wig to go jump in and have myself halfway in the water, half out. This is perfect. I can put a cap over top and let it just big if I want to protect myself from the sun, or I can take it off. And because my hair is blow dried and not straightened out, I don't have to worry about the fear of sweating my hair out. It's already sweated out. It's already in its natural state. Even when traveling, this is a perfect wig to put in your bag, because again, on the nights when you want to go out, you want to put your heels on, I think this looks good. Like imagine being like in Jamaica, the Bahamas, and you have one of your 2-piece or 3-piece bathing suit set, the top, the bottom with a little cover up. This is beautiful. Touring the island, doing excursions. If you fall in the water and you get wet, your hair is still in a natural state to where, you know, you give sew-in vibes, which sometimes looks a little bit more natural, but you also, you know, get the va-va-voom for the fullness and the length. So again, I like this and I want to embrace this more, because as I get older, I do realize that I probably won't be doing frontals at 60 years old. But if I still want to pop out, you know, you guys see me in my natural ponytail. If I want to rock my natural ponytail from day to day to get my steps in, if I want to rock my ponytail, my natural hair in a ponytail or a bun day to day, you know, to be around town and go play bingo and be around my gated senior citizen community where we're like a golf cart community, I can wear my natural bun, my natural ponytail. And then on bingo night, when I want to jazz it up, I can put on something like this, because of course we are the generation of like the tattoo grannies. I am tatted. So this to me is super, super, super fire. So again, embracing our naturalness. This is absolute gorgeous. And of course, if the Yaki or kinky straight textures are not for you, you can definitely get a V-part wig in a more silky straight texture. You can switch up the length. They definitely have different options available, so you don't have to go for this texture if this texture doesn't even blend with your hair. Because again, like my mom didn't have kinky textured hair. She was an African-American woman. She was darker than me, but her hair would not have blended with this because it wasn't kinky like this, if that makes any sense. It's a little bit too soft and fine and silky, but I love this. And again, the hack for me was to not to press my hair out. I did turn this on, which let me turn it off, but I did not press my hair out, and that literally was the key to making sure that everything looks perfect. It blends really well, and I don't have any tracks showing at all, if I'm saying that. And if I do right here, another key is to make sure you have enough hair to cover this back track here, because a lot of times we focus on the side tracks and that back track we don't show enough love. But this is the gorgeous girl here. I'll have her linked in the description box. I also have all the details on mine. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and share with your friends. And as always, I'll see you in the next one. Smooches.